How to block unknown Snapchat user. Blocking unknown or unwanted user on Snapchat can be done through direct interactions, chat or story by just adjusting your privacy settings to prevent them from contacting you in the first place. So what you want to do is if you want to block from the chat or notification, you just want to make sure to open up your Snapchat. After you open the Snapchat app, you then need to open the chat screen. Here, you just want to tap the and hold the person's or the contact that you wish to block. Let's see, this is the one. And what you need is you just want to go to manage friendship and select block. And you could just go ahead and make sure to select the block button. And this way, you're supposed to block unknown Snapchat user. And likewise, if you want to block by a public profile, then you just have to go to user's profile like this, and you just want to go ahead and open up, tap the three dot icon and select block. And this way as well, you're supposed to block user or unknown Snapchat user. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.